Hello viewers, welcome to Quick Coder. My name is Tulasi. Today's topic is matrix addition, subtraction and multiplication in Java. So let's get started. Start with matrix addition. So matrix addition is very easy. For suppose these are two matrices of 2 by 2 size, then the resultant matrices will be A. So here C00 indicates A00 plus B00. And again C01 indicates A01 plus B01. And again C10 indicates A10 plus B10. And again C11 indicates A11 plus B11. And here the code is also very easy because there are two matrices here, and we will create the other matrices with the same size, 2 cross 2. And now we will run the I loop from 0 to 2 and j loop from 0 to 2. So my I values will be 0 comma 1 and my j values will be 0 comma 1. So when my I value will be 0, my let's take j value 0. So c of 0 0 will be equal to a of 0 0 plus b of 0 0. And again I0 j1, I mean C of 01 is equal to A of 01 plus B of 01. Like this we can continue with when I is equal to 1, again J is equal to 0, A of 10 is equal to C of 10 is equal to A of 10 plus B of 10. And when J is equal to 1, C of 11 is equal to A of 11 plus B of 11, like that. So like this, the same will be followed with the matrix subtraction also. So instead of taking here minus plus, we can take plus. Instead of this all pluses here, these all pluses. So instead of taking pluses, see here subtraction also very easy. So instead of taking plus, we took minus. So C of 0 0 is equal to A of 0 0 minus B of 0 0. So like this. At last, A of ij minus B of ij. So that's it about matrix addition and subtraction. I'm not showing a practical demo on doing coding, but I will show the practical demo on how to do matrix multiplication. Okay, so these are very easy to understand. So now we will go to the matrix multiplication, which is slightly somewhat different with these two, addition and subtraction. Okay, so let me one second. Okay friends, let's go with matrix multiplication. So matrix multiplication is nothing but, so there are some conditions. The row, sorry, the number of columns of the first matrix should be equal to, let's say this is row 1 and column 1 and row 2 and column 2. Here there is should be C1 should be is equal to R2. I mean this columns should be equal to this rows. Then only we can perform matrix multiplication. Otherwise we cannot perform matrix multiplication. And now what will be the resultant array is this R1 cross C2. So the resultant array will have rows R1 and columns C2. Okay, now we can how we will perform multiplication. Let's take how this value will come. Simply C00 means 0th row, 0th column we will multiply. Okay, so 0th row, 0th column. How we will multiply? A00 into B00 plus A01 into B10 plus A02 into B20. But suppose if we are calculating C12, then the first row, second column, means this is zero based indexing, no? So you think like that, okay? 0 1 0 1 0 1 2 and 0 1 2 0 1. Okay, C 1 2 means first row, second column. So like this we will perform matrix multiplication. Now here we can simply derive some pattern. Okay, what is that pattern is? Let me give some okay, so here see, here 0 0 0 is common. Okay, and here 0 0 0 is common, means this 0 indicates this 0 and this 0 indicates this B0, and here from here onwards 0 1 2 and again here 0 1 2. Means again let me do this also. C12 means nothing but here this 1 indicates this 1. See here 1 is common and this 2 indicates this 2, and here 0 1 2 and again 0, 1, 2. Means we got some pattern here. So let me code this pattern. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, let me start coding. So already written some code, like likewise taking R1 and C1 and taking this array 1 elements, and again R2 and C2 and taking array 2 elements, and again checking if my C1 is not equal to R2, then it is invalid input. Otherwise, what I can do here, so in product is equal to new int of R1 and C2, because my resultant product will have rows as R1 and columns as C2. So now here so this one is nothing but printing of that product array. Okay, so now what will happen is, let's take for int I is equal to 0 and I less than this R1, less than R1 and I plus plus, and again for int j. Okay, so j is equal to 0 and j less than, what are my, okay, what are my columns here? C2, no, so j less than C2 and j plus plus. Now what I'm doing is int k is equal to 0 and k less than, there should be something, let's keep it aside. Here product of I j plus is equal to array 1 of I, and there will be something, and array 2 of here, something like j. Okay, as we discussed now, I mean before, at the starting of this video, what we have discussed. Okay, what will be my I here? My I, I mean my array 1 will have that I, and let me write that. Suppose let's take my C11 or C12. Get clarity. My C12 is equal to, let's take, okay, C12. What will happen now? Array of, okay, my C12 will be A10 into B02 plus A11 into B12, and like this, and A12 into B22. Here 1 is there, no, 1 is nothing but here I. Here I is this one. So product of ij is equal to array 1 of I. I is common here. See, here 1, here 1, here 1 for first array. For first array. So array 1 of I is common. And for second one, this j is common. See, 2, 2, 2. So that's the reason I wrote j. Then what about these things? Here see 0, 1, 2. It is incrementing. And again here also 0, 1, 2. That is the reason I took another array of k is equal to 0 and k less than. What is this 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2? It may be there are R1, C1 and R2, C2. No. This C1 and R2 should be equal. These two should be equal. So here we can write either C1 or we can write R2. No problem. We can write anything. Now I think you have got some clarity here now. Then what I will write here? Then simply I will write C1. C1. Now I will write here K and I will write here K. Okay, so that's it. And I already wrote. Okay, let me erase this all the things. I already wrote some code for printing this one. So let me save and compile this. Space. So we can do like this, something like this. Java. No errors. Java space. Now we have to give some input here. So I want R1. Let's take R1 as 2. Let's take R1 as 2. and R C1 as 3. Okay, R1 as 2 and C1 as 3. And now we have to give this array elements. Up to 6 elements we have to give. No, let me take 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I gave that elements. And now again I have to give 3. Like my R2 will be 3 and my C2 will be 3 again. So 3 into 3, 9 elements I have to give. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry, it is giving index 2 out of bound. So let me, am I giving the correct inputs here? Sorry friends, here what happened is, let me check whether it is recording or not. Okay, so instead of taking here K, I took I. So let me save this and terminal. Okay, space matrix. Okay, no errors. Space matrix. Okay, let me give inputs. So let me take R1 and C1 as 2 space 3 and 2 into 3 I have to give 6 elements. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 3 space 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. The game output of R1 cross 3. R1 cross C2. 2, 30, 36, 42. I request you people to do some matrix multiplication with these elements. Right? I will write the elements. So, and check whether this answer is correct or not. Okay. Like my first matrix is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. And the second matrix is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do multiplication with this matrices, and the resultant should be 30, 36, 42, and 66, 81, 96. So this is the resultant array I have got, but check whether it is right or not. Okay, that is the assignment for you. A little homework. So that's it about this matrix multiplication. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video. The coming up video is spiral display of a matrix in Java. So let's wait for this video. Subscribe to my channel Quick Coder to get notified for the further videos. Thank you for watching.